Welcome to part 2 of the Back Porch renovation. As you recall, in part 1, we renovated the exterior of the back porch and then moved into the interior. The interior took about 6 weeks of me fiddling around, and it turned out pretty nice. Here's the results. Might remember from the part 1 video, I put in 7 windows, windows kind of a medium grade that were good for my region of the country in central Ohio. I put those 7 windows in, and of course part of the renovation was to trim out those windows. We also added some shiplap, because that's real popular right now, and built a shiplap wall and a shiplap half wall. That half wall is kind of important because it stops people from falling into the stairway to the basement. There's a second stairway down to the basement from the outside, and that half wall is there to keep people from falling in. Again, the shiplap wall, and renovated the ceiling as well, added a new ceiling fan, and of course it's nothing more than a luxury space for my cat. Again, here's the wall as I built it, bringing out those 3 windows, and here's what it looks like now. Again, coming in through the screen door, walking into the space. Again, the 7 windows, nice tile floor, porcelain large format tile. Went down pretty easy. Had a nice concrete base to lay it on. We went with simple kind of trim on the baseboard on top to kind of make it look like a little cottage. It shows a nice kind of coconut peachy wall color, which I think really turned out nice. You get a lot of sunlight. Again, the fan, a simple little fan, worked out real nice. I often don't do well on buying fans, but this one turned out to be pretty good. Thanks for watching.